Welcome back, RC fans. Today, we're unboxing a little beast that blends style, speed, and serious drifting action, the FQD13 15 Dodge 120 RC sports car. Whether you're into fast and furious vibes or just love high-performance remote control cars, this one is built to impress. Let's crack open the box. Right on top, we've got the instruction manual, always a good idea to skim that before your first run. Underneath, neatly packed, is the star of the show, the Dodge-inspired RC car. This one's the FQD13 green, but there are also pink, grey, and black variants available. In the box, you're getting a rechargeable lithium battery, a USB charging cable, the 2.4 GHz remote controller, and of course, the car itself, featuring a durable ABS plastic body and striking aerodynamic design. Everything you need to hit the track is right here. The remote control is lightweight and super responsive. It offers precise handling, letting you perform sharp turns, controlled drifts, and fast accelerations. You'll get around 30 minutes of runtime on a single charge, and a control range of 30 to 40 meters, which is great for backyard circuits or indoor tracks. Built with durable materials, it's ready for repeated action without wearing out. This is more than a toy, it's a mini drift machine made to perform. Taking a closer look, this 120 scale Dodge model captures authentic racing aesthetics. From the hood vents to the aggressive body lines, it's got that fast and furious edge. And it's not just for show, the four-wheel drive system gives it real drift racing performance. This car can take on smooth indoor floors and rougher outdoor surfaces with ease. Perfect for RC beginners, young racers, and even collectors, the FQD13 15 is an ideal gift for boys aged 14 and up. Whether you're gifting it for a birthday, holiday, or just feeding that need for speed, this car won't disappoint. So there you have it, sleek design, solid performance, and tons of fun packed into a compact, high-quality build. The FQD13 15 Dodge 120 RC car is your ticket to thrilling drift racing right out of the box. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this unboxing, subscribe for more RC content, and check the link below to grab yours today.